as well from Tesla Owners US, and this is a kind of an intake between, because at the same time we want to visit the Grünheide factory, and that comes after the intro.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for.
At Tesla Grünheide, and it's a lot of activities here. There are whole settlements of container, and the people are probably living in those containers and working there at the same time in the construction area. So that is where we are going, and the most of them is probably already built out. But what we want to do and see, we want to see you at least the battery factory, because that has been starting right now. And that's where we're going to the fence there and doing some pictures. Sand. Guck mal, da ist er. Fabrik, is das here? Yeah. So that is the fabrication there. That's the new battery factory. Yeah. And there's a Tesla factory and there's a battery factory. Yeah. And security comes close to us, but they are not here yet. So the Tesla factory is there behind. I have to blur this gentleman out later. Construction is very busy here, very busy. So basically that's the best what we can see. Yeah, look at this. DU cell, stamping, journal assembly case. Basically they are showing where what should be. Yeah, that's the battery fabrication, and that's what we showed you. Yeah. Okay, good. And security is busy here, so very busy here, as you guys see. Also from here, that's the entrance, and that's busy. There's the parking lot, what they're building. Yeah, they put the tar on it. Tar is it called, yeah. They are paving. They're paving the road for future generations to work here. So, yeah, and as you can see, that's get busy. And basically accessible it is difficult, because here you have to go through here, and there's the only sign, there's a Tesla sign there. And then this is probably the entrance of the factory later. And this becomes our parking lot here. And probably that is the lowest priority, the parking lot here. Yeah. Okay. I think that's the best what we could see here, right? There's a bridge here on the other side, and if you go on that bridge, you are on elevated level, and then you can look over here. And there are a whole bunch of YouTubers. They have drone footage from that, so you gotta look it up on the internet. Yeah. But I tell you, it's really busy here. Oh, there's a car. Oh, that built the apartments of my daughter here in Berlin. They're hiring the same company. Company again for. And if you're asking yourself where the people coming from, Poland, Romania, Germany, Czech, Slovakia, Slovenia. You can see it from the license plate here. So they're coming all over the place in the next neighborhood here. We are leaving again, and my daughter is trying to open the car. Ah, she made it. There is a receptor. And we are going backwards. So, step in the car, and on the way towards it was German, on the way back it is all in English. We are back from the factory, and as you can see there, it was really busy, and they are actively like little ants working there, and I don't know if they wanted to stop me by filming or not filming. Just I did. I think they told you something with stop camera, or so no camera, no, or something like that. You know, doesn't impress me, and you have to come talk to me if you want to do that. You cannot send me a text and say stop filming. But otherwise it was very interesting. Not much to see because everything was locked down and there's fence all around it. But what we can see, the battery factory is also very intensive. They are working on it, and we hope that the walls are coming up soon. And there's lots going on. We keep the fingers crossed that the factory will be soon be active, and they are guessing that they want to start pre-production in 2022. Dora asked also, is there more in the front? Yes, there is. So this is where you can...
Cabin bag.
Huh?
You can put here the cabin baggage.
Yeah.
Should be the right size, the bigger one.
Yeah, and or you can put groceries in there if you want.
Yeah.
So, and...
Does this get warm?
Huh?
Does this here get warm?
No, it's not getting warm. There's no engine in here, right? So there's a motor on the axle there, which does not create a lot of heat. And I will get you a carpet for this one because I don't like this. To have it this way, but I get you a carpet for that. Mm-hmm. So, and this one is, I would put this one rather in the back instead of in the front.
Okay, what's inside?
That's the emergency package. It's only for Europe, right? So.
Ah, okay.
So, what's Verbandsdreieck, right?
Yeah.
Yes. There's a lot of room, right?
Yes. In the back is even more. But there's a little additional for the front.
Yeah.
Overall, it's a lot then. Can make a big trip, camping trip.
Yeah. Actually, you can sleep in the car if you want to.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah.
There is
a mattress.
There's a mattress which fits in the lower trunk. You can fold it open and then put it all the way in the back there.
Yeah, and then you make a
For Rose and her husband, I showed her a romantic mode. So that's what you can use there if you want to camp in the car. It gets warm, right?
Yeah,
it warms up. It warms up.
Oh, that's fun.
And you know what? One more click.
Yeah. Very white, ne?
Very white.
Ist er nicht so?
Ja, normalerweise nur die Sterne.
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like...
And then I had to explain my daughter a little bit the nice features what you have. Yeah, you didn't hear the original title because the original titles are in YouTube locked and you just get immediately a copyright problem. So, and then there is, you can have the jingles also outside, that's what she found out. And all of the different modes and so on. And she had to take a pictures. We had a good laugh about what came up there because Barry Wright was coming up. And also the translation in German is pretty funny. So, and it's the romantic mode in English. The translation in German is make yourself gemütlich or like familiar or cozy. Even the original was most in German. I could not keep it off from you because it was quite funny. Well, that was all, and I hope you liked it. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you for the next story. Bye bye.
We carry